Hey guys, welcome to my channel Baking with Nupur. To make the banana muffin, take a bowl and add all these dry ingredients to them and mix them well. Once that is mixed, take another bowl and smash the bananas into them using a fork. Then add the oil and the condensed milk to it. Once you are done mixing all the wet ingredients, add the dry ones and mix well. Mix just until it's incorporated, do not overmix. Scoop them into the muffin molds and fill them till 3/4 of the mold. Bake them at 160 to 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes until your skewer comes out clean. Hope you liked this video. Do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching, guys. Happy baking!